Fix Gcash cannot open developer option at unknown source setting. So how to fix Gcash cannot open developer option at unknown source setting. So if you cannot open developer option or unknown source setting for Gcash, follow these steps to fix it. Step number 1, restart your phone. Turn off your phone and turn it on again. Try opening developer option or unknown source again. Step number 2, check the phone settings. Go to settings on your phone, tap about phone, find build number and tap it 7 times to enable developer option. Step number 3, allow unknown source. So go to settings, then tap security or privacy, find install unknown apps. So select after that Gcash and tap allow from this source. Step number 4, update Gcash app. Open Google Play Store, search for Gcash and tap update if available. Step number 5, clear Gcash cache. So go to settings, then tap apps, then select Gcash, tap storage to and tap clear cache. So step number 6, reinstall Gcash. So install Gcash from your phone, restart your phone, download it again from Google Play Store. Step number 5, contact Gcash support. So if the issue is still there, open Gcash app, tap on Help Center, choose Chat with GG or submit a ticket. So that's it. Try these steps and your issue should be fixed. So this is how to fix Gcash cannot open developer option at unknown source settings. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.